With a strong product heritage and years of proven performance, Super Blue Flex Pipe, flex assemblies, and fittings are designed to simplify spray installation one head at a time. Backed by a tried-and-true composite formula, Super Blue Flex is the choice for quick installations, challenging landscapes, and everything in between. Durable, premium-grade linear, low-density polyethylene achieves higher PSI strength and performance over time versus competitive products. Super Blue Flex is highly flexible for consistent ease of installation and use. Pipe coils are designed to easily unwind from the center to make use, storage, and transport hassle-free. Companion Super Blue Flex assemblies make sprinkler head adjustments to grade simple. These sturdy, flexible assemblies also protect spray head risers and pipes from breaking when hit or run over by equipment. A standard 8-inch length provides greater flexibility and strength than 6-inch models. Flex assemblies come conveniently pre-assembled to save time and money. Blue Flex fittings do not require the use of tape or glue, making installation faster and easier. And fewer threaded joints minimize leaks. Backed by a 5-year warranty, Super Blue Flex is ideal for straightforward sprinkler installs. Don't leave the next job to just any brand. Go with the industry-recognized leader in swing pipe. Go with Iritrol Super Blue Flex. For more information, please visit iritrol.com.